Welcome back to Cars. Also, the place where passion meets performance. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Ford Capri. Let's see if this modern revival lives up to its iconic name. The Ford Capri was once the European answer to the Mustang, a sleek and sporty coupe that turned heads for decades. Now, in 2025, Ford has reimagined it for a new generation, blending retro charm with cutting-edge technology. Right off the bat, the exterior design makes a statement. The sleek, aerodynamic body is a nod to the classic Capri, with its long hood, sloping roofline, and aggressive stance. Ford has infused modern styling with sharp LED headlights, a bold front grille, and muscular wheel arches. The fastback silhouette stays true to its heritage while embracing the future with a sporty yet refined look. Under the hood, the new Capri offers a mix of performance and efficiency. Ford has equipped it with a range of powertrains, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a powerful hybrid option, delivering an impressive balance of speed and sustainability. The electric-assisted variant brings instant torque, making acceleration smooth and responsive. With a finely tuned chassis and rear-wheel drive dynamics, the Capri is built for an exhilarating driving experience. Step inside, and the Capri greets you with a driver-focused cockpit filled with premium materials and advanced technology. A fully digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's latest sync software, and wireless connectivity make the cabin feel futuristic yet intuitive. Sporty bucket seats, ambient lighting, and a minimalist yet high-tech design create the perfect blend of comfort and performance. On the safety front, Ford has packed the Capri with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether on winding roads or city streets, the Capri is engineered to keep you safe and in control. Now, let's talk about pricing. Ford aims to position the Capri competitively in the performance coupe segment, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts looking for style, power, and modern tech. The 2025 Ford Capri brings the past into the future, offering a thrilling ride with unmistakable heritage. What do you think? Is this the revival Capri fans have been waiting for? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. See you in the next video.